This is the KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. Einstein had it in a nutshell. Everything should be made as simple as possible, not simpler. So, if I now train an operator to go in and plug in a partial discharge test meter into a high voltage asset safely and read a number and report that, that's making a very complex inspection simple, not simpler. We're still getting the data we need. Same with thermal imaging, vibration, vibe pen. And then one can take a vibe pen and go, oh, 27 millimeters per second, I've got a problem here. Fred, he doesn't know why, but you can train his engineers, bring these programs in, equip them, provide the design solutions, and it brings real value. To err is human. I can honestly say I have learned more from my mistakes than my successes. But when you're working around rotating equipment and high voltage equipment, you can't afford to make mistakes. So, Japanese have a term called poka-yoke. It means mistake proofing. Poka-yoke translates to mistake proofing or error prevention. It involves designing processes or systems and products that prevent errors from occurring in the first place. The goal of poka-yoke is to eliminate mistakes at their source and ensure that they cause no harm or danger. Preventative measures that focus on preventing errors before they happen. They simplify, they give you immediate feedback, and they have universal applications. So, think of a 3-pin plug. A 3-pin plug is a poka-yoke device. It's designed that you plug it in one way and one way only. Here is a poka-yoke system for an electrical panel that gives me thermal, visual, ultraviolet and partial discharge monitoring of an electrical system. Safe, effective, efficient. You're solving a problem. That's what the poka-yoke is for. This is a poka-yoke device for electrical systems.